Do you want to put caption on repost on TikTok? You can add caption on reposted TikTok video with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To put a caption on a repost on TikTok, first, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you're in TikTok, scroll through your For You or following feed to find the video you want to repost. Now, tap on the share icon on the right side of the video. A pop-up menu will appear with different options. From the menu options, tap on Repost. Once reposted, you will see your Repost button at the bottom. Now, tap on the edit icon next to it. A text box will appear on the screen where you can type your caption, comment, or add context to the repost. Type your caption and make sure it fits within TikTok's character limit. You can also mention someone if needed. Once you're done, tap on the Add button. Your reposted video with the caption will now appear in the feeds of your friends and followers.